Hello everyone, so you want to know how you can load on ships the troops, or you can move the troops over the water. Now, if I remember correctly, here, this passage here allows for people to pass, but in general you want to load them on ships. Now, I haven't tried this one ever, so I don't really know, but it should be like that. Anyway, if you want to, you should raise, for example, the fleet. And so here you have the various boats. I'm gonna move them here. So that I can show you. I'm also going to raise the military so that I can show you that too. I mean, I don't have to show you with everything, so... Okay, let's do with this two things. Okay, let's go. Okay, now you have these troops and you want to load them on this ship. I don't remember correctly. I don't remember how many troops each boat can bring. I think there are many. Oh, load capacity here. Sorry. Now, if you want to load them, you don't have to right-click on them. You have to press here, embark selected units, and here you have them. Now let's move them somewhere. Let's move them like here. Yeah, let's go there. Oh, you don't have to select a port. You can just do it randomly. Yeah, let's go. Okay, and once you did that, you can click here and you disembark the troops. That's when you're here. And that is how you load troops on the ships and you load them down. Okay. And that is it. That is how you move troops into boats and move them around, and how you move troops over the water. So I hope you liked this video. Leave a comment below, subscribe, and see you next time.